I ain't got no video playing. So, figure out to open boxes. So, YouTube was good. I'm opening boxes, my Fashion Nova outfits. I'm gonna show y'all the outfits tried on for y'all. Might as well, I ain't doing nothing else. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Might not even post this video. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, get straight into it. Let's go. First box right here. Cut it open. Feel me? Jogging pants. They sent me this from Fashion Nova. Bye, man. Not opening that. Game over for that one, too. Some straight little jeans, you feel me? These jeans hard, I ain't gonna cap, though. Size 34. Real niggas wear 34. I'm gonna keep the tag on niggas to know they Fashion Nova, you hear me? So, those straight little skinny jeans. Some more jogging pants. I'm the richest nigga in Michigan. Let's go. I got a fat box, you hear me? Open this so let's go. Come on now. It's a lot of stuff, y'all. Look. A lot of stuff right here. About to show y'all niggas what's down. Hat. Why this feel like a baby hat? Don't look at my hair, man. I look chatty. Damn, this hat little as hell. This hat little in the motherfucker. I ain't know. I don't look like no baller, bro. Come on, get me right, Fashion. Rolling Stones hat. Take it off. Oh, y'all ain't seen my head, bro. There you go. Just a little bigger. Ugh, who messing with me? Not you. Another 2 hats right here. Got an Act Your Age and a regular red beanie. It's winter time in the D. What's that? Niggas on. That's 3 hats. 4 plus the one I had on. That's 5 hats. I'm going crazy. Another hat. And don't stop, dude. Come on, man. How to keep the. Come on, man. Niggas ain't like that for real, man. I'm gonna try it on right now. I'm only gonna show the jeans and the shirts and the hoodies. That's alright. Come on, man. What you want, folks? Another hat right there. I'm keep my Timberland hat on. I look kind of childish right now. Alright, y'all. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Another hat. Henny. I don't even drink, bro. No, I do not drink, man. What niggas on, man? Might drop a pic in one of these. Ooh! Niggas know. I got a little hoodie right here. Look at this hoodie, man. I ain't never bought no BS, man. Fashion Nova. You see the tag. This is my coat. This is the last one. I'm gonna get to that in a minute. Come on, man. Show me something, bro. More pants, bro. What are you saying? 90% off sale. Come on, man. More Fashion Nova things. Not done, bro. More. All white with the little black. Come on now. I got some more. Yes, I do. Whoever seen some blue ones, navy, let's go. Another hoodie. Talk to me. What this say? Hoodie right here, it says, I can't read, I dropped out 2 years ago, but look at it though. Cold hoodie. You know, size large, fashionable. getting tired. Hold on, man. Look at this, man. Look at this. Unity tee. Nothing too crazy. This tee right here hard. I don't care. I gotta compete with this right here. And ain't nothing too crazy. Okay, Boomer. Look big them up. Now, I ain't gonna cap. Okay, Boomer. You hear me though? Nah, this ain't the last one. I still got 2 more things. What is this? 5 inch? Game on. Vintage tee, nothing too crazy. Metallic tee. Don't excite me, bro. Got another one right here. A whole bunch of clothes. This shirt colored, I ain't gonna care. Look at this. Life is a game with snakes on every level. You hear me? Be long, I'm gonna do this in my back. You hear me? Now the final one, My coat. Now the one clear. Fashion over coat, yeah. Let's see how it look, man. Do I look like a grown man with this coat on? Yes, I'm valid. Come on, man. Who needs a Montclair when you got this? Yeah, make glossy, baby. I like aluminum foil. Hold on. I cannot read, but look though. They threw me the big box, yeah, that's all I got. Now I'm gonna give y'all the little try on how it look on me, how they feel on me. Throw some fish together and let's get straight into the video. Let's go. I already did the hat, so I'm only doing pants and tees. Let's go.